Hello, welcome to BrainDrive Model Match. This is Navneet, and today we are going to talk about some of the best open source general purpose models available on Hugging Face. So, previously, we used to review models which are specifically good at specific XYZ domains. But one different thing about this video is that we are going to talk about models which are good at all the five domains that we have previously discussed. So, this is going to be an interesting video. And the best part is that we are going to completely open source this integrated evaluation system that we used here for free. So you could find all the links in the description section. So check it out once the video ends. Okay. So these are the five domains that we previously discussed. The first is article summarization, second is therapy, third is email, fourth is finance, and fifth is health. And using all these domains, we got domain wise scores and we averaged it. And that is how we got the total general score for each model. Okay. So let us now explore the winners. Okay. So the first rank goes to 53 Mini 4K. The second rank goes to Mistral 7B V0.3. The third rank goes to Open Hermes 2.57B. And I personally like all these models, how they respond, how they generate emails, conversation, etc. Again, you can find the links to all these models in the description section. Okay, so we will now explore each of these models individually and figure out, I'll let you know that when to use this model, the differences between each and every model. Okay. So the first model is 53 Mini 4K Instruct. It has scored 9.08 out of 10 on our evaluation framework, and it is a 3.8 billion parameter model. This is where you could find the official Hugging Face page. It is really small model. So use this model if you are resource constrained. And plus, if you are someone who is specifically wanting a model who is short, crisp, and straight, this is the best model. Go for it. But the cons related to this model is that it is not doing that well when it comes to enterprise level emails, and it also lacks when it comes to giving disclaimers, and it is not that transparent. I'm not saying that it is really bad when it comes to transparency, but if you are a person who prefers disclaimers before important or sensitive things, don't go for this model. Otherwise, this model is really good. Try it. And if you are someone who is preferring short and concise answers, this is the best model. Okay. Now, going towards the second model, that is Mistral 7B V0.3, it has scored 8.87 out of 10 on our evaluation framework. It is a 7 billion parameter model, and this is where you could find the official Hugging Face page. Now, when to use this model? Use this model if you are someone who is specifically targeting, you know, um, structuralized answers. And also, this is a solution to the previous model. I would say that it does a great job when it comes to generating enterprise level emails. And also, it does great when it comes to giving disclaimers. So, I would say that the main strength of this model is structuralized answers along with transparency. So, if you want the combination of both of these, this is the best model. Go for it. Okay. Now, moving towards the third model, that is Open Hermes 2.57B. It is an 7 billion parameter model and it has scored 8.79 out of 10. Now, this is where you could find the official model. Again, this is really good when it comes to health and therapy. Plus, it gives structuralized responses. So, I would say that it is a slight combination of the first and the second one because it is really good at giving short answers as well, but it is really too much concise. Okay. It may miss some words which doesn't, affect the contextual logic, but still it is overly concise. So use this model if you want the combination of both. Okay, a nerved version, I would say. It is not too much nerved, but still it is slightly underperforming when it comes to Phi 3 and Mr. 7B. Use this model if you prefer structuralized response, and if you are someone who is specifically wanting a model which is good at health and therapy. Go for it. Okay. Now, this was all about the top three winners. We will now look into our evaluation framework. So the first step was model selection. So we only selected general purpose models, not fine-tuned models, because obviously, using fine-tuned models won't make sense because they are specifically inclined towards particular task or domain. We are reviewing overall domains here, that top five domains, right? So we selected general purpose models, then we simulated the conversation and the generation, and then we fed it to our integrated evaluation system. We got domain wise scores and we averaged it, and that is how we got the total score. Now, you could use this open source model for your own and let us know our results. The entire documentation, the open source GitHub link, the node code version, which is deployed in HF Spaces, is linked in the description section. Try it out. Let us know if something is underperforming or, overperforming. Let us know. And join our community at braindrive.ai and join this, entire movement. And until then, take care. Bye bye.